You've tamed the voices in your head. You've put your courage to the test. Laid all your doubts to rest. Your mind is clearer than before. Your heart is full and wanting more. Your future's at the door. Give it all you got. No hesitating. You've been waiting all your life. This is your moment. This is your moment in time. This is your moment.
What's up guys, TechSean here, back with another video. With Valentine's Day around the corner, many of you guys had messaged me asking to bring in a special episode with some Valentine's gifts, like the one we did last year. Well, last year's video was just amazing. If you had missed it, make sure to check it out after watching this video. In this episode too, I have some amazing, cute and Valentine's themed gifts that you guys will totally love. Sit back and enjoy, and as always, if you end up liking this video, make sure to smash the like button. That's all I request from you guys. I hope you'll do it. Alright. First from my list is something cute yet musical. Check out the mini owl speaker. Oh, a cute mini owl shaped Bluetooth 5 speaker that he or she will totally love to have. Trust me, a speaker can't get any cuter. Build quality is very good. It's like a cute little decor item, but an amazing speaker. You know what? As per Feng Shui, owl is a symbol of good luck. I can keep looking at it all day. Haha. Front, you have the 3-watt speaker in a fabric mesh. To the back, power button, mic for calls, LED indicator, and a micro USB charging port. Single charge gets you about 3 hours of playback. On the audio quality, trust me, it'll blow your mind. Though it's 3 watts, it's insanely loud with enough thump. Here is a sample.
You know I was so lost, I felt so incomplete. I had nowhere to go, so heavy in my soul. Until you came to me, you came out of thin air. It all fell into place.
Overall, a portable compact speaker that you will love to own.
Compact King is here, and we have an amazing comparison coming right up.
Well, if I have to say, the size of the speaker is approximately in the size of a Royal Gala apple. Yep, crazy but true. Another exclusive TechSean comparison. Overall, for around Rs 999, a cute Bluetooth 5 speaker to consider for gifting. Definitely won't disappoint you or your Valentine. Wanna grab one? We'll leave the best link in the description. Check it out. Alright, next on my list is something precious. Check this out, the cute heart-shaped silver coin. This is BIS certified real silver, guys, and it's about 10 grams. Instead of round coin shape, this is crafted in the shape of a heart, with an engraving on it on one side which says, "You are my love." To the other side, some pattern with the weight that is 10 grams. Cute, right? Definitely will be a nice one to gift and one that they can save and cherish. For around Rs 950, a good one to choose for your Valentine. Wanna grab one? We'll leave the best link in the description. Check it out. Next on my list is for music lovers. Check out the Volta Valentine Wired earphones. And here it is, an earphone with heart-shaped buds. Look at that! All plastic build with soft silicone ear tips. The inline controller is also designed in the shape of a heart. Even the single-click control button is heart-shaped, has a mic for calls, also has a clip. Overall build is decent. Wish they had it in red instead of all black. Now coming to the audio quality, it's decent enough for casual music listening and for calls. But overall, don't expect too much for this price. For around Rs 299, you can definitely consider this for your Valentine. If you're looking for something unique, wanna grab one? We'll leave the best link in the description. Check it out. Next on my list is a cool one for your lady love. Check out the 7 analog watch. This is a cool one. Wow, look at that! A beautiful pink dial watch with very good build quality. The dial is big with clear markings. I love the rose gold accent all over. It's stainless steel, even the needle is rose gold. Cool, right? The strap is artificial leather and looks strong. Still, you can change it if needed from a watch shop. Definitely a beautiful watch for her that she will love to wear and flaunt around. For around Rs 699, definitely a wonderful gift for your Valentine. Wanna grab one? We'll leave the best link in the description. Check it out. Alright, next on my list is something magical. Check out the iCraft Magical Coffee Mug, a high quality ceramic mug with a 325ml capacity.
What? An all black mug?
Well, that's the magic. When you pour in any hot liquid, ta-da! Look at that! The hidden message appears with a beautiful cute art that says love you forever. Oh, isn't that cute? When you pour in hot liquid, say tea, coffee, hot water, whatever, the image starts to appear, and once it's cool or empty, turns back to black, hiding the message. Awesome, right? Another handy thing is it's microwave safe and dishwasher safe as well. But do keep in mind to be gentle while washing and not to use any steel scrub, as that will damage the coating. A magical mug that will amuse your Valentine. For around ₹400, definitely a mug that will stand out instead of a regular coffee mug. Take my word, your Valentine will love it. Wanna grab one? We'll leave the best buy link in the description. Check it out. Next on my list is something cozy. Check out this cute Archie's tic-tac-toe style love cushion. A nice cozy small size cushion that you can gift your Valentine. It's washable as well. You can remove the cover, wash and reuse. I like how the design is vibrant. Along with this, you also get a 24K golden rose, an artificial metal style golden rose which looks super cool. A real rose will fade away, but this will not and will also serve as a nice decor item. Definitely a cozy combo gift to your Valentine. The cushion and the artificial golden rose both cost around ₹295. Wanna grab one? We'll leave the best buy link in the description. Check it out. Next on my list is something to up your Valentine's fashion statement. I have two things to show you guys. Starting off with this beautiful pendant from Yellow Chimes. Check out the peacock pendant. A beautiful peacock shaped pendant with chain that your Valentine will love. The detailing is just awesome. The crystals are Austrian crystals and overall adds a stunning look to it. To be honest, looks very premium, including the chain. Definitely will be a wonderful gift. Next, what I have here is this beautiful lock and key bracelet and pendant set. This is a unisex bracelet which you can wear in your hand and lock. Quality is very good. With this, you get this cute chain with the tiny key pendant. Guess what? Only this key can open the lock of this bracelet. Haha, cool, right? A cute fashion jewelry set for couples. This peacock pendant costs around ₹250 and this bracelet and key pendant set costs around ₹499. Definitely a nice one to gift. Wanna grab one? We'll leave the best buy link in the description. Check it out. Alright, next on my list is a cool one. Check this out, the Parker Valentine Special CT Roller Ball Pen. And here it is. This is a special edition from Parker for Valentine's Day. Has a beautiful red design with hearts all over it. Cool, right? Its plastic and steel build looks super premium. And yes, the refill is replaceable. A beautiful pen. You know what? With this, I would suggest you to bundle it with this amazing cool color changing unicorn notebook. A cool notebook with a reversible cover. And it looks amazing. Run your fingers across the sequin, ta-da! A cute unicorn picture unveils. Wow! This is a A5 size notebook perfect for any use, be it drawing, writing, etc. The Valentine's Day Special Edition Parker pen costs around ₹350 and the reversible sequin notebook costs around ₹299. Cool ones to consider for your Valentine. Wanna grab one? We'll leave the best buy link in the description. Check it out. Alright, next on my list is a must-have one during these tough times. Check out the Grahart Digital Printer 3-layer protection washable reusable mask. A mask with a beautiful heart-shaped design printed. Perfect one to gift your Valentine during these tough times. The material is top-notch, really good. You also get a nose clip for a comfortable fit. And hey, the side strap is also adjustable. Isn't that cool? So based on your size and comfort, you can adjust and wear the mask. In the pack, you get 3 masks in total in 3 different colors. And it's unisex, a stylish one to wear. Overall, for around ₹299, you get 3 masks with this nice art design. Definitely a worthy buy. Wanna grab one? We'll leave the best buy link in the description. Check it out. So, that's it for this episode. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to smash the like button. And I'm sure one of these products will definitely make your Valentine's Day special. Want to buy any of the products featured in this video? Best buy links are in the description, check it out. Price might fluctuate plus or minus time to time. It's not in my control, guys. So please understand. Like, share and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in another exciting video. Until then.